Okay, so today we're checking out this 351 piece first aid kit. Let's open it up. So inside you see that it's really organized and it's got your different compartments for the things you need. So you've got your alcohol wipes up here on the top. You've got an insect sting relief. You've got some antibiotic ointment, some non-aspirin, some aspirin, some antacid. And here we've got we're going to skip that one because it's too in there. Then you've got a bandage in here. You've got some antiseptic wipes. You've got other wound dressing gels. You've got this bigger one, which is a burn dressing. So for the bigger things that are happening. You've got your tweezers and let's see here. Metaphors purified water. Some more tape. And then hand sanitizer and a bunch of bandages back there. So that's where they keep all the bandages, is down through here. 351 pieces. Obviously you're not going to need most of them, but you're going to be prepared for everything with this. So this is great for your house, for your cabin, even travel, because it does easily fold up and you can just take it with you. And so it's just a really awesome first aid kit.